babe. This place looks familiar.
I know, deja vu. I cannot believe that we're starting season 2.
I know, you're excited. Tell Mark hi for me.
Will
Have
do.
fun.
Mark,
Dave,
good to see you again.
good to see you. Season 2 of Sustainability Series, you ready?
I'm ready. Let's go.
So the house looks great from the outside, right? But we want to figure out if it's really efficient from the inside as well. So I brought in a home energy expert, so we're going to do an assessment
I'm a little
right
nervous.
around the house. Don't be, let's go do it. This is David from the National Comfort Institute.
Energy survey.
It's a bunch of standardized tests that you go through to really see how a home works. Homeowners usually do it for one of two reasons. One is they're looking to make improvements in their home. The second is there's a problem they're looking to have solved. We've got a brand new Daikin fit system in here.
We love it.
So a lot of good there. Also the insulation, I was just doing some scans. The wall temperatures are actually very consistent. We've seen the same things upstairs.
Jenny could find me anywhere with that thing.
Yeah, she could.
I'm excited to see how this house performs.
Yeah, well, one of the things we're going to look at is airflow.
Okay.
It's important to overall comfort, and you can either have too much or not enough.
Okay.
And before we do that, we're going to start with the toilet paper test.
Toilet paper. Interesting.
It's
Okay.
a simple test that we can use to visualize how a room's breathing or not. Everyone can do this test. So let's shut the door and see what happens.
Okay.
So we're going to test it.
That's
how this
really
works out.
high tech.
I'm going to take it is, isn't it? So we're going to take this, and if it blows out, then we know that this room is in a vacuum.
Okay. That's a bad thing.
Sticking right there.
Well, maybe, maybe not. So whenever the toilet paper sticks, we're going to take a measurement and see what happens. I'm going to slide the hose underneath the door.
Okay.
Any number less than 3, we're good. So let's see what we got.
I was wondering if there was some technology coming into it.
2.6.
Well, good job, Dave.
High
Excellent
tech,
work.
low tech. I don't know which one. I love it.
All the tech.
Excellent work. So we're good. Tested everything, and good news, everything's exactly where it ought to be.
I was gonna say, this looks
Good
a lot
job.
more technical than toilet paper though.
This actually
Okay.
measures air like we looked at, took the hood, and I placed it over supply registers and return bins. These are what push and pull air
Okay.
from the HVAC system. Now this one should have had around 250 CFM. CFM is a technical term. Think of it as like boxes of air that's needed
Right.
into a space to make it comfortable. We got around 234 on this one.
I'll take that.
That is
That's like the
close.
90th percentile.
It is. The rest of the house is just like that.
Okay.
So it's a good sign.
Well, thank you, David, for taking us through a home energy survey today.
Yeah.
You're welcome. Having an expert come in to be able to do testing both before and after. This is going to assure that they get the comfort that they expect, the efficiency, and also longevity of the equipment.
That's right. And we'll have a list of resources and tips to learn more on our website at sustainabilityseries.com.